Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss part 2 of chapter 4, agriculture. In this part we will discuss mainly major crops and its geographical requirement. Among these we will see food grains, rice and wheat, beverage crops, tea and coffee, fiber crop, cotton and jute, and other cash crops, sugarcane and rubber. Number 1, rice. Rice is the staple crop of people especially living in eastern part of India. It is a kharif crop mainly grown in areas having high temperature and heavy rainfall. Its geographical requirement is temperature ranging near about 24 degrees Celsius, between 22 to 32 degrees Celsius. Rainfall above 150 centimeter, between 150 to 300 centimeter annually. Soil deep clay and loamy soil with flat surface. At the time of sowing, stagnant water is required. So flat surface is needed and it is labor intensive crop, means needs large number of labors for its processing. Now we will see important rice producing areas. West Bengal is the highest producer. West Bengal is the highest producer. Besides West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Punjab, they are having highest per hectare yield, means production per hectare of land is highest in these states. Bihar, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Assam, Tamil Nadu and Haryana also produces rice. In eastern part of India, it is produced as subsistence farming, means as a main staple crop. But in western part of India, especially in Punjab, Haryana and western Uttar Pradesh, it is cultivated as cash crops. About 25% of the total arable land, cultivable land, is used for cultivation of rice. Second major food grains cultivated in India is wheat. India is the only country, or it is one among the countries of the world which produces two main staple crop in large quantity, rice and wheat. Wheat is called winter crop, rabi crop or temperate crop. It processing period, means cultivation period, required variation in the nature of temperature, means different amount of temperature is needed in different period of time of its cultivation time. Temperature requirement varied. See how at the time of sowing it needs 10 degree to 15 degrees Celsius of temperature, while for ripening and harvesting it needs high temperature 21 degrees Celsius to 26 degrees Celsius. That is why it is sown in the month of November, December. That time in northern part of India temperature falls, and harvested in the month of April, March, April. So temperature rises. Requirement of rainfall, it needs moderate rainfall ranging between 75 to 100 centimeter annually. As you know, northwestern part of India receive rainfall through western disturbance in winter season, which is very much suitable for cultivation of wheat. Soil, it needs well drained, fertile, loamy and clay loamy soil. There are two important wheat producing zone in the country. Number one is Ganga and Satluj Basin region, and second is the Deccan Plateau region. In Ganga Satluj plain, Uttar Pradesh is the highest producer. Punjab is having highest yield per hectare, means production per hectare of land is very high in Punjab. Besides these two, Madhya Pradesh, Haryana, Rajasthan, Bihar, Gujarat, Maharashtra, in parts of West Bengal also, and Uttarakhand, wheat is cultivated. Among food crops, millets are also called coarse grains. Cultivated in India, millets are cultivated in the areas where geographical condition is not favorable for other crops. Millets consist of jowar, bajra and ragi. All these three are called poor grains because it can withstand without having water, means if it is sown, crops are harvested, or its nutritional value is also very high. That is why it is called poor grains. Its geographical requirement varies. Jowar is cultivated mainly in Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat. Bajra in Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, while ragi in Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu. Sugarcane, it is one of the most important cash crop of India. It is raw material of sugar industry, main agro-based industry. It needs one complete year, means cultivation period of it is one complete year is needed. In India, it is cultivated in two parts. In tropical region, southern part to the south of Tropic of Cancer in tropical region, and to the north of Tropic of Cancer in warm temperate region, subtropical region. Its temperature requirement is 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius, and rainfall well distributed throughout the year, 75 to 150 centimeter, and rich loamy soil is required. See, not clay, deep rich loamy soil is required. In northern warm temperate zone or subtropical region, it is cultivated in Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana and Punjab. And in southern plateau region, means tropical region, it is mainly cultivated in Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Gujarat. Next we will see beverage crops. Two beverage crops of India which is cultivated here are tea and coffee. First we will see tea. Tea is cultivated in hilly areas of India. Both tea and coffee are cultivated in hilly areas, but tea is mainly confined to northeastern hilly areas and northern hilly areas and parts of southern hilly areas, but mainly it is cultivated in northeastern and northern hilly areas. We will see its geographical requirement. Its geographical requirement is temperature ranging between 20 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius, means high temperature is required. Rainfall high, heavy rainfall 150 to 300 centimeter, and soil requirement well drained deep friable loamy soil, means well drained loamy soil in slopey areas so that water does not accumulate, it get washed away. So it needs a, a large number of labor also for its processing. So it is also labor intensive crop. It is cultivated mainly in Meghalaya, Assam, West Bengal, in northern part Himachal Pradesh, and parts of Kerala in South India. Next beverage crop is coffee, which is mainly cultivated in southern India. It is also cultivated in hilly areas. The temperature ranging between 15 degrees Celsius to 28 degrees Celsius, and rainfall 150 to 250 centimeter. It also needs well drained loamy soil, means slope of hills. It is mainly cultivated in Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Besides that, it is also cultivated in parts of other states. Next, cash crop, cotton, fiber crop, which is the main raw material of textile industry, or India is one among the largest producer of textile goods. Cotton is fiber crop. It is mainly cultivated in Deccan Plateau region. Why? We will see its geographical requirement. It needs temperature 21 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius, means high temperature is required. Rainfall moderate to low, 50 to 100 centimeter annually. But the most important requirement of it is to harvest good quality of cotton balls, 210 frost free days and bright sun signs for its growth. To obtain good quality of cotton, it is compulsory to have a clear sky without any cloud. Then good quality of cotton is grown. Instead of water requirement fulfilled by rain, if it is provided by irrigation, so it is good for its cultivation. And another requirement, clay black soil. Clay soil is important. Or Deccan Plateau consists of black soil. So black soil of Deccan and Malwa Plateau is suitable for its cultivation. It is also grown well in alluvial soil of Satluj Ganga plain in deltaic areas and laterite soil of Peninsular Plateau. The main cultivator of it, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, then Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka and Rajasthan. Nowadays Punjab and Haryana has also started producing cotton, and good quality of cotton ball is produced in Punjab and Haryana. Another fiber crop which is cultivated in India is jute. It is also called golden fiber because of its importance, as it is very important for uh, carrying goods from one place to another, as packaging materials are prepared from it. So it grows well on well drained fertile soil in flood plains, means clay soil. Clay alluvial soil is the most important requirement, and level land. High temperature is needed to its growth, or it needs heavy amount of water also. Major jute producing areas are West Bengal, Hooghly Basin of West Bengal, both sides of Hooghly Basin. It is cultivated in large quantity. Then come Bihar, river valleys, and in all these Assam, Odisha and Meghalaya. These are the major jute producing states of India. Beside this, it is also cultivated in parts of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Next cash crop is rubber, which is very important, cultivated mainly in southern part of India, mainly in Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, as it requires hot and humid climate, means equatorial type of climate, which is found in these states only. Its temperature requirement is above 25 degrees Celsius and rainfall more than 200 centimeter. So these are the major crops which cultivated in India. So that's all for today. Thank you.